Hey project managers, we have something exciting to show you today. Are your superintendents too busy? Are they constantly stuck doing endless paperwork? Up to 10 hours each week. This could be costing you up to $400 on paperwork. Well, don't worry, Special Projects has been working on it. We are developing with VBA and SharePoint. These are incredible tools and are already a part of our IT package. We've been busy creating the perfect application. Presenting time card generation using Microsoft Excel and SharePoint. We have a superintendent file optimized for iOS, an Office file that utilizes VBA macros for automation. We are tracking attendance and labor units, reviewing labor daily, signing paperwork electronically, and generating reports automatically. EXL Time Card Generator, the future of time cards at Helix Electric. Check us out at helixelectric.sharepoint.com/sites/timecardbeta.